Good morning, students. In the last video, you have learned about population and trends of population in India. Now, in this video, you are going to learn about birth control measures in the same chapter, reproductive health. So students, as you know, Indian population or world population increasing rapidly. Now, what are the measures or devices, contraceptive devices used to check this increasing population growth? The birth control measures means the main aim of birth control measures is to check the population growth. To check the population growth, some devices or measures are used by male and female individuals of population. An ideal contraceptive should be user friendly and easily available and cheaper. Effective but also reversible. Reversible means which can be used again with no or least side effect. So an ideal contraceptive should have these features. There are many contraceptive devices which have significant role in checking the uncontrolled growth of human population. These contraceptive devices are mechanical or barrier methods. Second one is chemical method, third surgical method, and fourth natural methods. So first we will study about mechanical or barrier methods of contraception. These are of two types. Condoms, diaphragms, and IUD also. See, first one is condoms. These are rubber or latex sheaths which put on penis before coital activity or before sexual intercourse. They prevent the deposition of sperm into vagina of female. These are used by human male. They also prevent the spread of sexually transmitted diseases or STDs. Female condoms are also available. Hindustan Latex of India and Female Health Company of England. They agreed to introduce female condom in India. That is made of skin-friendly substance polyurethane. So, female condom introduced by Hindustan Latex of India and Female Health Company of England, made of polyurethane. It acts as clip on vagina. It prevents the entry of sperm into uterus. It is reusable. It means same female condom can be used again and again. Next mechanical or barrier method is diaphragms. These are made of rubber. They are fit in vagina and prevent the entry of sperm into uterus. And last one is IUDs, intrauterine devices. These are fitted inside the uterus, so called IUDs. These are of different types: copper T or loops. Non-medicated IUDs. These are lipped loop. Another one is copper releasing IUDs. These are Cu7 cut multi-dot 75. They release copper ions which decrease sperm motility. Hormones releasing IUDs. They release hormones which make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. There are two main functions of mechanical or barrier methods are either they prevent the fertilization or prevent the entry of sperm into reproductive tract, vagina or uterus of human female, or they make the uterus unsuitable for implantation. So this is all about one of the contraceptive device, that is mechanical or barrier method. That's all.